So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can repurpose any YouTube video to create really awesome blog articles for your WordPress site. So let's dive in. The first thing you need is a YouTube video. I've got a few on my own channel that I've created here that I'm going to use as an example. So I'm going to click on this video, and then I'm going to copy the video URL. But if your video is not on YouTube, that is totally okay. I will show you what to do in that case. But now that I have that, I'm going to head over to videotoblog.ai. That's the tool we're going to use that actually converts this video into a really awesome SEO optimized article. And then we're going to send it directly to our WordPress site. So now that I have that, I can just paste in the URL. But before I do, again, if your video is not on YouTube, that's okay. You can just click this upload video file button and upload there. And everything else from here on out will be the exact same. So I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to click the button. And then it's going to ask me a few questions about how I want the article to be generated. It's going to first of all ask me what kind of article I want to create, either a companion article or an original article. In this case, I'm going to do a companion article because this is my own video. I want a blog post that kind of lives alongside the video itself. The other option, original article, that's if you want to use someone else's videos as research to create your own article. But in this case, I'm going to stick with companion article. Um, I'm also going to select for the featured image an AI generated image, but you can also select stock image or use the video thumbnail, both of which are really good options. In this case, I'm going to add screenshots because in the video I chose, I'm actually doing a demo just like I am in this video. And so I think screenshots would be really relevant in that blog post. I'm also going to add a background because I think that looks nice. And I'm also going to embed the video because I do want my video embedded in the blog post to give my readers the option to watch the video instead. I'm not going to add any links, but this is another powerful option as well. You can add internal links from your own website, which is great for SEO, or you can also add external links as well to third-party, high-quality domains, and the AI will go and figure all that out for you. There's also a ton of options to customize the writing preferences. I'm not going to do this for now. We'll just keep this simple, but I did just want to show you if there's a particular blog article, either writing style or structure you're going for, you have a ton of options to make that happen. But now I have all that selected. I'm just going to hit create blog post. And then what's going to happen is the blog post will start generating very soon. In total, it takes about just usually a couple minutes. So while that's generating, what we can do is I'm going to show you how you can integrate your WordPress site so that once this is done generating, you can export it directly to your site in one click. So to do that, I'm going to head back to my dashboard in Video to Blog. I'm going to go to the integrations option, and then I'm going to scroll. I'm going to find WordPress.org. I'm going to click Add Integration. It's going to ask me a couple different options. I'm going to go with the plugin. That's the one that we recommend. I'm going to click Connect. And that's actually just going to link me to some docs that tell me and show me exactly how I can install the plugin on my WordPress site. So let's go there. I've got a test WordPress site set up. I'm going to find plugins. I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to click the Add Plugin button. And I'm going to search for Video to Blog, all one word. And I'm going to click Install Now. And then once that's done, I'm going to click Activate. And once that's activated, now I can go down. I'm going to go to Settings. And now I have an option for Video to Blog in my settings. So I'm going to click on that. And then it's going to ask me, do I want to sign up or connect? I already have an account, so I'm going to click Connect. It's going to take me to an authorization page. I'm going to click Approve. And then boom, that's it. Our WordPress site is now connected. In fact, if I go to integrations, I can see right here that I have my site connected. So I'm going to close out of that and close out of the integrations tab and the docs. I'm going to go back to the blog post. So it's pretty much done generating. It's just at the very last 2% where it's adding screenshots. But that will be done in just a moment. So what I'll do is I'm going to pause the video. I'll let this finish. Shouldn't take long. And I will come back in just a minute. Right after I said that, it got done generating. What my typical workflow is now that it's done generating, is to first of all go read it, and I typically make some tweaks, some minor edits. Um, like right now, the AI generated image, I think this looks fine. I would keep this. If I didn't like it though, I could easily regenerate it. Um, in fact, actually, I don't like this. It's got these black bars. So yes, I won't regenerate it in this video, but typically if I was actually doing an actual blog post, I would regenerate this and try to get a better image. Um, I would also go and just proofread everything with the screenshots. In my case, I don't like how it adds my face in there, um, I mean, that's fine because that's what's in the video. But what I would do typically is I would actually just go crop it out. Um, so something as simple as just doing this. And I would typically go do that with every screenshot that it adds. So that's my typical workflow. I don't want to go through it entirely. I've covered it in other videos, but I would spend about 5 to 10 minutes cleaning up the screenshots, reading through it, making some minor tweaks. And then once I'm done with that, I click on the sidebar button. I will go check the SEO score, make sure everything looks nice. I think in this case, it's just complaining about links, which that's okay. That's something I would add, but I won't do it right now. I'd go look at the metadata, make sure all of that looks good. And then when I'm ready, I would click the export button. I'd scroll down, I'd find WordPress.org. I'd click on that. And then it's going to ask me a few questions, just what category I want it, um, make sure the slug looks good, and a few other things. But once all that looks good, I would click export, and it's going to send it directly to my WordPress site. And it's not going to just send the article, it's going to upload all of the images. It's going to send all of the SEO metadata, the meta title, description, the slug. It's going to do SEO friendly image file names for you, as well as adding all the alt tags for images. So a lot of other stuff besides just the blog post itself. So I'll click, and as you can see, yeah, the blog post is now on my WordPress site. So it is as simple as that. Um, the last thing I want to mention is that I'll show you, I'll do another video on this, but video to blog also has the options where you can automate this whole entire process. So you can set up an automation on any YouTube channel so that when a new video is released on that channel, a blog post will automatically be created for you based on whatever settings you provide. And then it will send it directly to your WordPress site for you. You don't have to do anything at all. So that's another powerful option as well. I will cover that in another video. So that's it for now. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.